To overhaul the air start valve, dismantle it from the cylinder head. Remove air start valve plug. Remove split pin from the tightening nut of the valve. Remove the nut. Take out the distance piece and remove the piston. Remove the spring and spring seat of the valve. Pull the valve rod from the other side. Clean all the components using kerosene. Lap the air start valve with a fine grinding paste. Assemble the valve on the cylinder head. Do not over-tighten the nut. Fit the split pin and divide it carefully so that it does not obstruct the movement of the valve.